Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the motor in the Rowenta RS2230. This process requires a few specific tools and careful attention to detail. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You might also need a multimeter for testing the motor. Step 2. Safety first. Before beginning any repair, unplug the Rowenta RS2230 from the wall to avoid any electrical hazards. Always prioritize safety in your workspace. Step 3. Open the unit. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off, exposing the internal components. Step 4. Locate the motor. Inside, you will see the motor, usually mounted in a specific compartment. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If you're unsure about the placement or the connections, take a picture for reference. Step 5. Detach the old motor. Carefully disconnect the wires attached to the motor. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry off any clips holding the wires in place. Once the wires are free, remove the screws securing the motor and gently lift it out. Step 6. Clean the interior. Before installing the new motor, take the opportunity to clean the interior of the unit. Dust and debris can affect performance. Use a soft brush or a vacuum attachment to remove any buildup. Step 7. Install the new motor. Place the new motor into the compartment, ensuring it aligns properly with the mounting points. Secure it using the screws you previously removed. Next, reconnect the wires, making sure they are firmly attached to their corresponding terminals. Step 8. Reassemble the unit. Once the new motor is in place, carefully reattach the back cover of the unit. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tight and secure to avoid any rattling during operation. Step 9. Testing. Plug the Rowenta RS2230 back into the outlet and turn it on. Listen for any unusual noises and check that the motor is functioning as expected. If you encounter issues, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 10. Final checks. After confirming the motor works correctly, take a moment to perform a final inspection. Ensure all screws are tight and that there are no loose parts. If you prefer to avoid any hassle, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs even easier for you. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the motor in your Rowenta RS2230. If you ever need assistance in the future, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a smooth, convenient service right at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.